If you're looking for alarm clocks for heavy sleepers, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 alarm clocks for heavy sleepers. Number 1, most popular, by Hoyee. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Lyker. Number 3, by Peakeep. For more details about this great alarm clocks, just click this circle. Number 4, by Instecho. Number 5, by Peakeep. Find these alarm clocks for heavy sleepers at up to 70% off by clicking the circle. Number 6, by DreamSky. Number 7, by Hoyee. Click the circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Hoyee. Number 9, by Smartro. Discover more alarm clocks for heavy sleepers, ideas and items to explore. Click the circle in the corner. Number 10, by Peakeep.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.